Everyone thinks ChatGPT is just for writing scripts. That's only 10% of its power. The other 90% is what fast-growing creators use to outthink, outsystem, and out-execute everyone else. If you're still treating AI like a chatbot instead of a 7-year YouTube strategist, you're not behind because you're lazy. You're behind because no one showed you the system. Welcome back to Creator Automation Hub, where we don't chase trends, we build systems. Today, I'll show you how to hand everything to AI, channel analysis, idea validation, scripting, thumbnails, titles, even retention optimization, using the same workflow smart creators use to grow with less effort and more control. By the end, you'll have a repeatable AI growth engine, not just prompts. Most creators think growth comes from better editing, more uploads, longer videos. That's false. Growth comes from better decisions before you press record. And AI is now the best decision-making partner you can have. Let's look at the first pillar, analysis. Instead of guessing what works, we feed the AI your last 10 videos. It tells you exactly where your audience dropped off and why. This isn't magic, it's pattern recognition at a scale you can't do manually. Next is idea validation. Before you write a single word, we test the concept against proven winners in your niche. Then scripting. We don't ask it to write a script. We give it a structural framework: hook, retain, reward. And finally, packaging. Titles and thumbnails aren't afterthoughts. They are the 80-20 of your video's success. This system turns luck into probability. You stop throwing spaghetti at the wall and start building a library of assets. So stop working harder. Start working smarter. Welcome to the era of the AI-augmented creator. Avoiding YouTube mistakes is easy. It's like making Maggi noodles. The instructions are simple, but most people still mess it up. Why? Because they rush the process instead of building a system. In a minute, I'll show you the exact prompt that replaces guessing forever. Stop asking ChatGPT, give me video ideas. That's beginner behavior. Instead, feed it your data. Download last 365 days CSV, upload into ChatGPT. Prompt: act as a senior YouTube growth strategist. Analyze this data, find patterns in my top 20% videos, identify content gaps. This isn't magic, it's math with memory. The biggest opportunities aren't your top videos. They're the videos with high impressions and low CTR. That means YouTube wanted to push them, but something blocked it. This alone can revive dead videos. Most creators lose viewers in the first 30 seconds. AI can predict that drop before you upload. Use prompts to identify retention risks every 30 seconds, suggesting pattern interrupts and curiosity gaps. You're no longer guessing retention, you're engineering it. AI doesn't replace design, it replaces blank canvases. Design faster, decide smarter. This is where everything connects. Your Creator OS has 4 layers: data, ideation, scripting, and optimization. AI sits at the center, not as a tool, but as infrastructure. Let's dive into the exact prompt framework. This is the meta value that changes everything. Good prompts get answers. Great prompts build systems. Here is the breakdown: role, task, constraints, audience, retention, emotion, and output format. Now let's look at common mistakes that kill trust. Asking generic questions, giving no data input, providing no memory context, or just treating AI like Google. If AI feels underwhelming, it's because you're under-directing it. The creators who win in the next 5 years won't upload more. They'll think better. AI doesn't replace creativity, it protects it. Now that you know how to find winning ideas, you need to script them so people don't click away. I broke down the exact viral script structure in this video right here. Click it, and I'll help you move closer to your first 1,000 subscribers.